Hello class 12. In this video, I will be revising with you the play that you are having in your syllabus, that is The Proposal. By this time now, I think all of you have read the play and you have also liked it. And you have also gone through the PDF, the question answers that are given. Now today I will be discussing with you and I will also be revising with you the first part of the play, that is The Proposal. Here I am going to deal with the first quarrel, that is the quarrel about the Oxen Meadows. Now at first we get to see that Lomov comes to Chivukov's house and he is very well dressed. Seeing that, obviously Chivukov he feels that why is he in such a dress and asks him, are you going for anywhere? Are you going anywhere? Or you have come over here just to meet us? So Lomov informs him that he has come to meet him only and he has a desire which only Chivukov can fulfill. Hearing this, he goes aside and he thinks that if he has come to borrow the money, I am not going to give. We find a change in attitude of Chivukov when Lomov says that he has come to him to ask for his daughter's hand. This idea totally changes Chivukov's attitude towards Lomov. He's very happy. Here we get to see that the play, when it is written, it's about a society where the father considers the daughter to be a liability, and somehow the father just wants to get rid of the daughter by getting him married to someone. He feels that he will be off the responsibilities as a father as soon as the daughter gets married. Am I clear? And Chivukov becomes extremely happy when Lomov comes and tells him that I have come to ask for your daughter's hand. Meanwhile, we are again introduced to another character, that is the main character, the heroine of the play, that is Natalia. At the very beginning, we see that she doesn't actually know that what is the reason why Lomov had come. So she keeps on talking about, the agriculture and everything. And suddenly, during their conversation, they come across the topic Oxen Meadows. And we see a great fight between the two characters, Lomov and Natalia. They fight so much that the important cause of their meeting, that is the marriage proposal, it somehow deems it goes under the quarrel. The quarrel becomes important. Concept like marriage, which is such a serious topic, it takes a back seat and both are indulged in quarreling with each other. We also find that what is the reason why Chivukov wants Natalia to be his wife. He considers her to be an excellent housekeeper, not at all bad looking, and education. She is well educated. Now you see, for marriage, a person considers these materialistic factors like good looks, better housekeeper or education to be the sole criteria for him to get married to a girl. He doesn't think whether she is well mannered. He doesn't think that whether she is capable of being a wife or not, whether she is a wife material, how good her soul is, how good a person she is. Nothing he looks upon. Moreover, he considers his age, that is 35 years, to be one of the crucial age for him to get married. Another thing we come to know that he has got a problem. That is, he palpitates. He gets nervous and then there is a nervous breakdown. He is all the time in tension. He drinks water and here and there. And another problem is there, that is a sleeping disorder. Okay, wherever he sleeps, he gets a pull from the other side and then there is a pull from the another side, and he is unable to sleep. So he considers that if his wife comes, he can have a good peaceful sleep. we come to know a little bit about their history, where Lomov says that when there is a quarrel, Lomov states that Lomov's aunt's grandmother had given the free use of those oxen meadows in perpetuity to the peasants of Natalia's father's grandfather, in return of which the peasants, okay, they had to make bricks for the aunt's grandmother. So it's a little bit complex relationship and a little bit complex history that we come to know. But Natalia says that both her grandfather and great grandfather reckoned that their land extended to burnt marsh, which means that oxen meadows were there only. Now Lomov states that okay, he can show the documents and all these things, and they finally end up quarreling so much that Lomov is out of their house. Okay, rather he is forced to go out of their house. When Chuvukov comes into the scene, he plainly supports his own daughter. Obviously he will, and he does so. He says that do not raise your voice, and because of her only, he somehow drags Lomov out. And we see that there is an extreme quarrel between both the parties, father-daughter one party and Lomov himself another party, on just a trivial manner, that is the oxen meadows. Both of them, however, points out several times that they are not speaking about the money, neither of the land, but the importance they are giving on the principle of truth. So according to Natalia, she doesn't care about the land or the money, but she is only speaking about the principle or the truth behind it. Same thing for Lomov. Okay, he also states the same thing, and we see finally that he is out of the house. Students, in this part, the questions that are important are basically it can come. You have to describe the first quarrel. So the entire fight you have to demonstrate. Okay, about what they are quarreling, how they were quarreling, their gestures, action of Lomov, actions of Natalia, about this father's grandfather or aunt's grandmother, that portion. Then the important question that can come from here is what problems are faced by Lomov, or why does he want to get married? So that 35 years, what are the reasons? His sleep, he's not able to have sleep. 20 times he gets a pool and he suffers from palpitation, all those things. Another important question from this play that can come, describe the play as a satire. Satire means criticization of the society. So why the society is criticized? Because of Chuvukov, who considers the his daughter to be his burden. Lomov considered 35 years to be a crucial year for him to get married. He considers those three materialistic qualities in a girl, and he considers those characters only for him to get married. So that question is important. For short questions, obviously you can learn about what is the age of Lomov, then what are the names of the other two lands that are mentioned, what are the three qualities of Natalia that are pointed out by Lomov, then what is the measurement of the land? It's 13.5 acres or 5 decisions. Then what is the worth of the land? 300 rubles. What is the name of Lomov's aunt? Nastasia Mihailovna. So these things are very important, which you should focus and learn upon. Please go through the play and check if you have any problem there. Thank you.